Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to look inside of a fuel tank because, in this case, we're looking for trying to find a fuel tank leak. And there's a lot of things that you can do. You can take the covers off here and look around and see if you see anything obvious. But one of the techniques is usually to keep the covers on or to tape over them with tape. And then through the fuel tank inlet for the fuel, we go ahead and put a wet rag and a air pressure hose in there, and we start pressurizing the tank. And you can hear Jimmy Candiletti here pressurizing the tank while I'm looking at video here of the fuel tank as we're pressurizing it to about a half a psi, which is about the limit, and it's forming bubbles on the outside as we're looking in through the lightning hole. By the way, Mike Boyd, that is your flashlight you bought me many years ago on the wing root right there, shining into the area. But we're pressurizing it using a little bit of soapy water to show where the leaks are. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.